Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Beatrice. Today's practice is going to be a very short practice for people that suffer from chronic pain. So anyone that has fibromyalgia or any autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, even ME, chronic fatigue. This practice will be for you. So I know how it feels to be in chronic pain. And for me, everything that helped was something really simple and gentle that I could do without having to move around too much. So this is going to be all from seated. You can take any prop that feels helps your practice. So pillow, a bolster, blanket, everything that makes you feel comfortable and at ease. That's great. Also, you can do it from your bed. You don't have to come down to the mat. You can do it on your bed, on the sofa, anywhere that feels comfortable. So let's start by just grounding into the mat or just the surface beneath you. Hands can come down to your lap or on your knees, anywhere that feels comfortable. By all means, you don't have to sit cross-legged. Sit anywhere that feels comfortable for you. Palms down on the knees or palms up to the sky, in your lap, wherever's comfortable. Drop the shoulders. Try to keep a straight spine as much as you can. If you need to, you can be against the wall as well, so you can support your spine. If it's comfortable for you, close your eyes just for a few moments. Keep the crown pointing up to the sky, chin tucked into the chest. Take a moment to soften the hips. Feel into the sitting bones on the ground, the sides of your feet. Feel into the spine. How does it feel today? And we're going to bring a little bit of mobility back to our spine. If you've just woken up and you feel really stiff, take it as your pace. Even if you are in the middle of the day and you have moved already, take it at your pace. Setting the intention to accept where we are. If we can't change it, then let's not worry about doing so. Let's start with some gentle neck circles. Let the chin drop down to the chest. And then right here, drop through the right shoulder. Chin back down to the chest. Left ear to left shoulder. You can keep moving from side to side for a few breaths. Trying to go to the place of some sensation for you. But try to steer away from pain. Moving in semicircles from side to side might be enough for you, so you can stay with this today. If you feel like you need a little bit more, start to bring bigger circles into the neck. So circling all the way around, you can open the throat a little bit. Reaching the nose up to the sky, but try not to crank the neck back, so still support your head up. And if you're circling one way, circle the other way, reverse that circle. And take yourself back to center. Head is back in line with the spine. And we will take some cat and cows from seated. So hands are on your knees. Inhale, lift the chest, tilt the pelvis forward. Maybe look up. Exhale, round the shoulders, look down towards your belly button, round all the way down through the spine, tuck the tailbone down. Doesn't have to be a huge movement, anywhere you can feel in your body. Inhale from the pelvis up into the chest, maybe the head. Exhale from the head down through the shoulders into the pelvis. Inhale from the tailbone up to the crown of the head. Exhale from the head down into the tailbone, round the spine. Just a couple more. Inhale, extend your back. I'll show you from the side as well. Open the chest. Exhale from the head down into the tailbone, round the spine. Last one. Inhale, open up. Exhaling round. Inhale, return to neutral spine, come back to center. And from here, just taking a few gentle twists to bring some mobility through the torso and through the mid-back as well. So we inhale in to lift the arms up to the sky. Exhale, bring the left palm down to the right knee, right arm behind you. Inhale to center. Exhale to the right, to the left. Right arm to the knee, left arm behind you. Just keep it fluid and moving. Inhale to center. Exhale to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Just one more each side. Inhale center. Exhale left. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, come back to center, and this time we come into a forward fold, but you can keep your knees bent. So it's just a different version of a seated forward fold. So the legs are wide as the mat, feet are flat to the ground. And here as well, we'll bring some fluidity, some mobility through the spine. We're not gonna hold the posture. So you can hold on to the back of your thighs. Inhale, lift the chest, tilt the pelvis forward. Exhale, fold. You can slide the arms down through the leg. Inhale, lift up. Maybe look up. Exhale and fold. Inhale, lift, open the heart. Exhale and fold. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Two more. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, fold down. Last one. Inhale to lift. Open the heart. Exhale and fold. And as you fold this time, take 3 deep breaths. See if you can let go of any tension down the back. Inhale, lift all the way back up. And we're going to return to a seated position for a little bit of meditation, a bit of affirmations as well. So come back to your comfortable seat. If you need to, you can repeat the whole sequence and then come back to this if you want to move a little bit more. Bring the palms down to the knees or palms up or hands in your lap. And drop the shoulders down. Tuck the chin into the chest. Close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. Tune into your breath. That sensation of rising and falling as you breathe in and out. That anchor you can use throughout the day. Take a moment to notice how your body feels, but also how you feel emotionally. And repeat to yourself, I'm strong. I am strong. I am not my pain. I am not my pain. I can return to the breath any time I need to. I can return to the breath any time I need to. I'm strong. I am not my pain. I can return to the breath any time I need to. And when you're ready to come out of the practice, bring the palms together at your heart. If you can, find one thing you're grateful for. And if you want to, and when you're ready, bow down to close the practice. Om, peace, peace, peace. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope this helped you. If you were a little bit stiff, that got you moving a little bit. And I hope you listened to your body and took it at your pace. If you would like to try any other practice, maybe pick a yin practice if that feels good for you to stay in a posture for a big amount of time, a long amount of time. Otherwise, please return to my channel for other practices that might serve you. And if you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.